Alright, this one here is for Patrick, so you get an idea what I'm planning on doing. Along here, where the wallpaper is, going to strip that down, get it painted up with the whatever kind of latex or interior waterproofing paint you recommend. Get the whole bathroom sealed up, whole shower area. Put some latex or silicone, sealant along the cracks and whatnot. Get down here into the floor. Get this carefully taken out here, this plywood paneling. Get some insulation, like some spray foam put in there. Get that all sealed up. And then move on to the floor. Teak, bamboo, something like that. I'm thinking for the sink, definitely I'm gonna, put the new water valves in there. I think I might get a piece of copper and just do a hand hammered sink, put it in there. And then in here, I'm going to have my water tank, the good water and the gray water. We'll see what happens. But those are the plans anyway. Let me know what you think, buddy.